Let's open the Visual Studio Code editor. On Lesson 3 we have created 2 files. Let's explain better what they do. Go to Canvas tab. The first line of the HTML file creates the canvas object. Later JavaScript will search and find on HTML file the canvas to use it, in order to display our game. The second code line creates a link, like a path, for JavaScript to send the data to Canvas, to run our game. Open the JavaScript tab, and we are ready to code.